because this error failed to transfer data to the program. So this error could occur probably when you are installing a software, or probably if a file you want to copy, or a file which Photoshop need access to can't be accessed. So uh, how do we fix this error? It's a very simple process. Just go to your settings on your Photoshop, that is on your Mac. Go to settings, click on security and privacy, come to privacy, then come here to full disk access, click on the padlock button, enter your password. Then if you don't have Photoshop displayed on these allow the apps below access that data, click the plus button here and go to applications and select Photoshop. Close your Photoshop, open it again, then you should be able to access if it's a plugin or it's a file that is bringing this error. By now it should be fixed because you allow them full this access to Photoshop. So I hope you love this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like for more awesome technological fix. Thank